Hey there, Zernstar! Check out this rectangular prism. Build it on your own. Let's look at the layers one way. Here's our table. Instead of finding the number of cubes in each layer, let's record the dimensions of each layer. Each layer is an array, 3 cubes by 2 cubes, and there are 4 layers. What's the volume?
Each layer is 3 cubes by 2 cubes, which is 6 cubes. 6 cubes times 4 layers is 24 total cubes. So the volume is 24 cubic centimeters.
That's right. Let's look at the layers a different way. Now, each layer is 4 cubes by 2 cubes, and there are 3 layers. We know that the face of each cube is 1 square centimeter, and there are 8 cubes that make up this face of the prism. Write a multiplication expression we can use to find the area of this face. The area of this face is 4 centimeters times 2 centimeters. We know that's 8 square centimeters, but I'm going to leave it as 4 centimeters times 2 centimeters for now. And there are 3 layers behind this face. That's the same as the length of the prism, 3 centimeters. Multiply the area of the face by the length to find the volume of the prism. We know 4 centimeters times 2 centimeters equals 8 square centimeters. 8 square centimeters times 3 centimeters equals 24 cubic centimeters. So 4 centimeters times 2 centimeters times 3 centimeters equals 24 cubic centimeters. Let's try this one more time. Now, each layer is 3 cubes by 4 cubes, and there are 2 layers. Write a multiplication expression we can use to find the area of this face. The area of this face is 3 centimeters times 4 centimeters. That's 12 square centimeters. This time, there are 2 layers behind this face. That's the same number as the width, 2 centimeters. Multiply the area of this face by the width to find the volume of the prism. 3 centimeters times 4 centimeters is 12 square centimeters. And 12 square centimeters times 2 centimeters equals 24 cubic centimeters. So 3 centimeters times 4 centimeters times 2 centimeters equals 24 cubic centimeters. We already knew we could count the number of cubes to find the volume, but this time we multiplied the area of one face by the number of layers to find the volume. Did you notice a pattern in our equations? We multiplied all 3 dimensions, just in a different order. Multiplying the 3 side lengths together, 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters, and 4 centimeters in any order will give us the correct volume, 24 cubic centimeters. This is true for any rectangular prism. Let's use this strategy to find the volume of this rectangular prism. This rectangular prism is built from centimeter cubes. What are the dimensions of this prism? This prism has a length of 3 centimeters, a width of 2 centimeters, and a height of 3 centimeters. You could have named the length, width, and height in a different order, depending on how you look at the prism. We could multiply the dimensions to find the volume of this prism. Go ahead and solve. 3 centimeters times 2 centimeters times 3 centimeters equals 18 cubic centimeters. You could have multiplied in any order, as long as you multiplied all 3 dimensions. Let's solve this next one in your notes. Today, we're working on Mission 5, Lesson 4. This rectangular prism is built from centimeter cubes. What are the dimensions of this prism? This prism has a length of 4 centimeters, a width of 2 centimeters, and a height of 2 centimeters. You could have written these dimensions in any order, depending on how you looked at the prism. Check your work. Now, write an equation to find the volume. Make sure to include the units. Record the volume here. We can multiply 4 centimeters by 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters to find the volume. 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. So the volume of this prism is 16 cubic centimeters. Check your work. Ready for a challenge? Let's try another one. This image represents the top face of a rectangular prism. If the prism is made of centimeter cubes, what is the area of this space? 2 centimeters times 2 centimeters equals 4 square centimeters. So that's the area of this space. The rectangular prism that sits below this space is layers of cubic centimeters. It has a height of 4 centimeters, so there are 4 layers of centimeter cubes. What is the volume of this prism?
The length is 2 centimeters, the width is 2 centimeters, and the height is 4 centimeters. So we can multiply 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters by 4 centimeters to find the volume. That's 16 cubic centimeters.
That's right. We can also multiply the area of the top, 4 square centimeters, by the height, 4 centimeters, to find the volume. So the volume is 16 cubic centimeters. Try this last one on your own. This time, we can't see the dimensions of the top face, but we know the area. What's the volume of this prism? Great work using different strategies to find the volume of rectangular prisms. Keep it going.